In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're keeping things simple and effective by using Google to quickly find trustworthy instructions on a common problem. How to find a missing folder in Outlook. If you've ever opened Outlook and a folder seemed to vanish, don't worry. Our goal here is to use Google to get you to the right, reliable answer, fast. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. In the search bar, type exactly how to find missing folder in Outlook. Then press enter. You'll land on a results page with a mix of official documentation, community forums, how-to articles, and sometimes videos. Focus first on reputable sources. An official Microsoft support article is ideal because it's usually accurate, up-to-date, and specific to Outlook. If you see a result from Microsoft's support site near the top, click that first. Before you click, take a second to glance at the snippet and the publish or update date if it's shown. Email apps evolve, so favor results updated within the last couple of years. On the results page, you might also notice a People Also Ask section. Expanding a few of those can quickly reveal the exact steps you need, and they often link to solid resources. If the first article doesn't match your Outlook version, refine your search right in the Google bar. Add a small qualifier such as Outlook for Windows, Outlook for Mac, Outlook on the web, or Outlook 365. You can also include a version year if you know it. This helps Google surface instructions tailored to your setup. If you're getting too many irrelevant results, try putting the main phrase in quotes. Missing folder in Outlook. Or add a minus sign to exclude something unhelpful, like web if you don't use the web version. When you open a promising result, scan it quickly to confirm it addresses missing folders specifically, not unrelated issues. Use the page's table of contents if available, and the Find feature on your browser to jump to terms like missing, recover, or search. If you learn best visually, hop back to Google and switch to the Videos or Images tab to locate a walkthrough that matches your Outlook version. Once you've found a clear, accurate guide, bookmark it or save it so you can revisit the steps later. That's it. Using Google intentionally gets you from problem to solution with confidence. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to guide with Google to find what you need.